Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the middle of African savanna, beside the prey like antelope, buffalo, lions also hunt larger prey like elephant, giraffes. Giraffes is a mammal and they are tallest animal on land. It can reach the height of 4.8 to 5.5 meters and weighs up to 1,300 kilograms. In the videos, the giraffe became the prey of lion, but unfortunately for the lion, it failed to take down the prey because she was hit by a heavy kick from the highest animal. The female lion aims at the animal's neck as an attack point. However, she almost missed when she couldn't pluck the sharp fangs on the giraffe when the female lion fell into the ground and she was stabbed by the giraffe. Whether the mother giraffe can protect her child or not, let's watch the video. Giraffes are also very skillful in self-defense. Even a lion just dared to attack by all the herd. Giraffe legs are very strong. They can kick in any direction and in many ways. The force of the giraffe's kick can kick a lion's head. But surprisingly, there are very few enemies who want to disturb the giant giraffe. Two mother giraffes accidentally fall into the sight of hungry lion. Lions are one of the species with extremely effective teamwork. the mother giraffe was isolated, a lion grabbed the baby giraffe's throat, making him pain and fear. Seeing that, the mother giraffe rushed to save the baby giraffe by kicking his legs strongly against the lion. The giraffe continued to attack to protect the baby from the animal. The force of the mother giraffe is very strong, which can make a lion injured. But the lion herd are very smart. A lion had flown on the back of the mother giraffe to attack the neck. The lion clicking to the back of the mother giraffe forced her mother to flee to fly away to keep her life. Remaining lion catch the baby. The motherhood made the mother giraffe never give up. It stayed and continued to fight. The baby giraffe was attacked by the lion. They knocked down the baby giraffe, but at that moment the mother giraffe rushed over. It slammed its legs to threaten and make the lion flee. Mother giraffe trying to protect her baby. Witnesses said they first heard the sound of the mother giraffe roaring like a threat to lion. They even thought it was the voice of a lion. Although there is some injury, it is important that the lion and giraffe stay together. The lion's attack took place at the Masai Mara Nature Reserve in Kenya in mid-December. The battle for survival takes place daily in the natural world. We cannot say whether the animal is right or wrong, but it's simply the law of survival. While being weak due to being born not long ago, giraffes are still trying to defend. Fortunately, the lion gave up after an intense battle. As humans, in order to survive on this planet, we also ourselves must run flexible to gain the right to survive for ourselves. We've just witnessed the giraffe protecting the young from two more fierce predators in the world of wildlife. What is the most impressive species, lion or hyena? Let everyone see your opinion on the comment below. And if you like, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and goodbye and see you in the next video.